Reproduction. Life comes from pre-existing life. Young ones grows and becomes mature. They develop the faculty to produce. They develop the property to produce their progeny or offsprings, which are great similar in structure and morphology. Mule age sterile. So reproduction is not strongly characters of all living beings, because male is sterile. Worker honeybees seldom reproduce. Worker honeybees seldom reproduce. Important point. Next property is growth. Young individuals grow in size. Young individual grow in size. The growth is due to internal addition of the growth is due to internal addition of protoplasmic material. Protoplasmic material by which cells enlarge and divide. Cells enlarge and divide. Next property is death. Death. After a period of time, each living beings dies. Each living beings dies. Death is a state of cessation of living characters, and in death stage the protoplasm becomes inactive. Next characteristic of living being is life cycle. Life cycle. Each individual passes through each individual passage through a definite life cycle. Definite life cycle by birth, growth, maturation. Birth, growth, maturation, reproduction, adolescence, aging, and finally death. Next property is self-regulation. Self-regulation. The system of controls operates in a system of controlling and coordinating to the environment operates in each living being. Operates in each living being. It helps in regulation of body functioning. Including metabolism, excretion, growth, development and reproduction. Development and reproduction. Next property is movement. It is of two types, visible and invisible. Two types of movement, visible and invisible. Invisible movement occur at the invisible movement occurs at the cellular level and are found in all living organisms and are found in the body of all living organism. Invisible movement occur at the cellular level and are found in the body of all living organism. Visible movement can be of visible movement can be of parts or whole body. Can be of parts or whole body called locomotion. Locomotion. Next property is coordination. Coordination. Different parts of body of a living being. Different parts of body of living beings cooperate with one another. Cooperate with one another for the functioning of whole. For the functioning of whole. Next property of the living beings are metabolism. Next property of living beings are metabolism. Metabolism. A large number of chemical reactions are going. A large number of chemical reactions are going inside the body of living being. They can also be carried out in. They can also be carried out in vitro or cell-free system. Cell-free system, especially IVF, in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization or test tube baby. Metabolism has two main types. Metabolism has two main types. Number one is catabolism. Catabolism. destructive process means breaking down of complex molecules into simple ones. And next is anabolism, formation of complex organic molecules or growth of the body by simple molecules aggregations. Next property is energy. It is essential for carrying out various life activities. Activities not only by individual, but also each and every cell. Every cell. Energy is obtained from food. Which is either manufactured by the cells, or gained from outside. Food is prepared only by green plants by the process of photosynthesis. Next property is water intake. Water is essential for maintaining optimum metabolic state, of protoplasm and metabolic state of protoplasm and internal circulation of material Next property is excretion. Next property is excretion. Excretion. Metabolism produces a large number of harmful and toxic substances which are useless to the body. To the body. The same are either expelled out of body. The same are either expelled out of the body or stored inside aging tissues. Stored inside the aging tissues. Stored inside the aging tissues, especially in the plants, in the form of gum. Next property is consciousness and irritability. Consciousness and irritability. Next property is healing. Small wounds heal automatically. Small wounds heals auto due to body defense system. Due to body defense system present in all organisms. Next property is regeneration. Regeneration is the ability to form. Regeneration is the ability to form lost parts. A small fragment can be regenerated. A small fragment of living organism can regenerate the whole organism in plant. The whole organism in plant and in primitive animals and in primitive animals. This process is called sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction by fragmentation found in planaria and in hydra. Tremblay in 1742 Tremblay in 1742 first to study regeneration process in hydra. T.H. Morgan studied the mechanism of regeneration in animals Friends, we were looking about general characteristics of living beings and how can we differentiate non-living beings from living beings, and those properties which we were analyzes. The properties present in those organisms are called living beings and are absent in those called non-living beings, and this is the differentiating characteristic of living beings to non-living beings. Friends, I will provide you my next video link in biology, diversity in living वर्ल्ड या जैव जगत में विविधता, जिसमें हम लोग टैक्सोनॉमी, क्लैडिस्टिक या बायोसिस्टमैटिक्स या क्लासिफिकेशन, आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. तो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे it is sufficient. We will meet in my next video. Friends, once again, thanks to you for watching my video links.